In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Notion with the support of great Notion support services. If you're looking to maximize your productivity using Notion's powerful features, you're in the right place. Today, I'll take you step by step through the process of setting up your own assignment tracker using Notion's intuitive interface. By the end of this guide, you'll have a functional tracker to organize your assignments, update deadlines, and more. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. First, head over to the Notion website. It's as simple as entering notion.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. If you have a Google account, which many of us do, you can streamline the login process by selecting Google. Simply click on this option and you'll be prompted to select your Google account. This saves time and means fewer passwords to remember. After you've selected your account, you'll land on your Notion homepage. From here, click on Add New. This is your gateway to creating a brand new workspace or document. In this case, we're creating an assignment tracker, so you'll want to type in assignment tracker upon creation. Now here's where the magic of AI comes into play. You'll see the option to build assignment tracker with AI. Clicking this will enlist Notion's intelligent system to help set up your tracker. It's a fantastic feature that can save a lot of time and effort, automatically generating a structure for you to build upon. Once the setup is complete, you'll see a continue button. Click on it to move forward. You might feel the anticipation building up, but don't worry, we're almost there. The final step in this initial setup is clicking Done. Once you do, your assignment tracker is fully operational. With the tracker now set up, you have the ability to customize it further to suit your needs. You can edit assignment names or topics easily by clicking directly on the text you wish to change. If your coursework changes or you pick up new subjects, you can adjust the courses listed in the tracker at any time. When it comes to deadlines, Notion makes it simple with a calendar pop-up, allowing you to select dates with ease. Just click on the calendar icon next to the relevant assignment and choose the new deadline. It's essential to stay on top of these dates to ensure you meet your goals and submissions timely. Another aspect of customization involves updating the status of assignments. Within your tracker, you can change the status of an assignment, such as marking it as in progress or completed. Finally, don't forget the notes section. It's the perfect place to jot down reminders or additional information related to your subjects. This feature is particularly handy for keeping track of important details that may not fit neatly into other categories. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up and customizing your assignment tracker in Notion with the help of its AI capabilities.